In this video, let us read the marks from the user. Based on the marks, let us grade into three parts: A grade, B grade, C grade. If the marks is less than 35, then you have to show it as a fail. So this is the main concept of this program. So I'll show you like how to write this program step by step. So first let us start the Python IDLE, that is the editor, default editor. So once you have an editor, this is the Python shell actually. Then you open the file editor, go to file menu, click new file. So here is an editor. Right. So now let us start. Okay. First we need to read the marks. Therefore let's say marks, that is equal to. Then you have to input. So input, you have to get the marks actually. Please enter the marks. So user has to enter the marks. Now what are the marks we read? We want to change to integer. Therefore you can say int. So that is changed to integer. Now let's say print marks. What are the marks entered? We just straight away will print this. Now save the file, save as. So just go to E drive, then I'll say Python examples, student marks grade. Right, so we given the file name as a student marks grade. Now things is ready. I'll run the file. So F5, enter the marks. Let's say 55. So 25, it's print 25 as it is because we given that print here. Fine. Next step is we want to grade this, right? So what are the input value? So if you want to check whether it is greater than 80%. So if you want to make three part here, if marks is greater than or equal to 80, then you can have one more variable called as a grade. Initially that is equal to empty. Next, grade is equal to A grade. Then you have to write else, elif. If marks is 60, then you can say B grade. So now it's easy, just copy this and then paste it again. So if it's 35, so this is a C grade. Then one more else, you don't need to check condition, but that marks is less than 35 only. So therefore in that case, it's a grade is fail. Fail, okay. So these are the steps actually. So here we read the marks, that will go to marks, and that is a type now integer. Then we'll compare that. If it's greater than 80, it's a grade A. It's greater than 60, that is a grade B. It is greater than 35, then grade C, else is fail. Now we'll print this. Now you can say marks, comma marks, okay. Then grade you have to print, copy this and then paste. So here is a grade. So this inside the double quotes will print as it is, and this is the variable, the value whatever is there here, that value will come. So what are the grade? That grade is there in the grade, so that will come. Okay. So now let us run this. So enter the marks. I'll say 85. So grade is A grade. Again we can run. So now this time we'll enter 25. So grade is fail. Fine. So this is how we can write the program to check the grade. So please write down this program and try yourself and execute. See to it everything is work fine. And if you get the result, it's really fantastic. Keep learn.